Hello students, welcome back to Ekcel Academy's YouTube channel. Like all of you are aware, the CSEET exams first batch would be held on 29th of August, and ICSI has released a set of mock tests also on its website with answers. Now when we verified the mock test, we understood that there are a lot of questions which are asked from the e-bulletin which ICSI has been releasing every month. So there is a set of videos that we would be releasing related to current affairs from the e-bulletin. So knowing these questions and answers would definitely help you to do well in the mock tests. Maybe that would help in the final examination also. So let's start answering these sample questions which appeared in the June month's e-bulletin. Let's start with the first question. Who is the present Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog? We have been discussing this in our weekly update as well. The answer for this question is Mr. Amitabh Kant. The second question is, which ministry has released the e-book titled 1 Year of Modi 2.0 Towards a Self-Reliant India? See, always remember, this goes by logic. This has got nothing to do with human resource development. This is not related to home affairs. This is not related to corporate affairs as well. So it is related to information and broadcasting. So the answer would be Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The third question, which of the following is the longest expressway in India likely to be completed by 2021? The answer for this is Purvanchal Expressway, which is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It connects Ghazipur and Lucknow, the state capital of Uttar Pradesh. So the answer is D, that is Purvanchal Expressway. Which country has proposed the idea of G7 plus 3 named as 10 democracies, D10? So this idea has been floated by a United Kingdom. Who has been appointed as the new president of Confederation of Indian Industries, that is CII? The answer for this is Uday Kotak. We have discussed this in our daily and weekly updates as well. Uday Kotak was heading the Kotak Mahindra Bank, and now he has been appointed as the president of CII. Sixth question. Name the Sports and Youth Affairs Minister of India who has launched a 25-day Khelo India Community Coach Development Program for physical education teachers and community coaches. So the Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs of Union Ministry is Mr. Kiran Rijiju. Seventh question. Who becomes the first ever woman to reach deepest point of ocean, the Challenger Deep? The answer for this is Cathy Sullivan. This is the answer, that is option number C. Eighth question. Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, has rearranged the Commodity Derivatives Advisory Committee recently. Who chairs the committee? Answer for this is Ashok Dalwani. Ninth question. Union government has announced no new schemes will be launched till when? So the answer for this is March 31st, 2021. That is the end of this financial year. Till then, there will be no new financial schemes that would be announced. Last question in this series is which data sharing website was blocked by Government of India recently? 59 apps have been blocked, and something related to data sharing has been WeTransfer. So these are the 10 questions that appeared under current affairs in the June e-bulletin released by ICSI. These questions are important. We hope this was of some help to you. You may leave your comments in the comment section and we shall get back to you with answers. Thank you so much.